All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a bad service you received in a restaurant or shop. Yes, please.
There are extremely good, there are many occasions when I have received extremely good services, but sometimes things turn just opposite what we exactly expect to be. I would like to share my real life experience with you. Actually, my husband is doing job in Saudi Arabia, and I was planning to send some dresses as a gift. On that day, the person who was traveling from Pakistan to Saudi was at my place with his family, and I had to cook food for them, and I also had to buy those dresses for my husband. So the time was short, but luckily I was able to saw online that the stuff I was expecting to send my to my husband was available online in his specific brand. So I rushed to that mall, which was and it took me about 1.5 hours to reach there due to traffic. Somehow I managed to go there, and on reaching I was told that gents variety was not available in that specific branch, and I had to travel somewhere else to get my desired dresses. I was so frustrated and about to cry because the time was just getting past, and I was so nervous at that time. So I immediately called my mother-in-law and asked for help. So what should I do? Uh, she just asked me to calm down, take a glass of water, and go for another option. Forget
Okay,
that
thank you
dresses.
so much. You have spoken for 1 minute 40 seconds.
Okay, okay.
Overall, it's good. Your English is fine, but just try to consider the topic a bad service. So, your answer should move around that bad service.
That was a bad
Yeah,
service.
I
I will
understand, but you
must say.
cannot argue like that. You need to focus what I'm saying.
Okay,
The
okay.
thing is, you just need to focus on the service. You focused on the story.
Oh
Like I went
yeah.
there, then this happened, that
I
happened,
can
and you're
never
speaking
forget
very
that.
comfortably about that story. So just focus the bad service and move around that service. The service was not
Okay.
good. I was disappointed. Then it's going to be appropriate. Otherwise, it could be off the topic as well, right? Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. How do most people respond to bad service?
There are many options nowadays. For example, we can write bad reviews on their page, web page, and we can complain to the managers or the person who is attending us at that time is obviously is responsible for bad service.
Do you think services are better now as compared to the past?
Yes, with the passage of time, improvement is everywhere. We can see that everyone wants to improve their brand, improve their quality, improve their services and ambience. I must say that things are improving.
Okay, what kind of services are bad services?
Bad services, all services are not bad services, but some particular services, for example, the person who is attending us is not interested to show us what we are expecting from them to show us. They are not showing us the same variety, or they are not serving the same thing that we are expecting. So it depends.
All right. Overall, your English is very good, but you need to change your focus to the question. Whatever the
Okay,
question is, your answer should move around that. If you
okay.
give a very good answer, but you don't cover the main core issue in the
Yeah,
question, they will give you low band score.
yeah.
So considering that at present I give you 6 band, but your English is capable of getting very good band score, right?
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.